So hi dear traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'm going to be trading on OTC charts because today is a weekend and they're the only available currency pairs. I'm going to be using technical analysis, and to help my technical analysis I'm going to be using the help of the RSI indicator. So this indicator will be showing me the overbought and the oversold zones as well as the pivot points on the chart, and I'll try and make very good profit today and hit my goal. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see if I hit my goal for today. And also don't forget to support my channel by giving this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to comment down below. I'll be waiting for all your comments. So let me show you how to activate this indicator and to use it together with technical analysis. I've already enabled the indicator and you can see it below the charts. All the settings are on default. So I want to remind you how this indicator works and what signals open a trade. So here you can see the indicator consists of two red horizontal lines marked at the 70 and 30 as well as a green moving average, and the signal is when, for example, the moving average approaches the horizontal line marked at 30. As you can see, the moving average rebounds from this line and moves upward. This means that a reaction has occurred from the oversold zone and the price will likely be rising in the near future, and in such a situation we could consider opening a long trade. Also, when the moving average rebounds from the horizontal line marked 70, it signifies a reaction from the overbought area. Consequently, the price will likely move downwards in the near future. Therefore, in this case, you could consider opening a short trade. And as you can see, in some situations, the moving average rebounds from the horizontal lines, while in others it crosses beyond them. All of this depends on the specific market situation as well as the support and resistance levels, and therefore it's important to understand these aspects when trading. You need to use a skillful combination of technical analysis and the indicator signals to be able to yield good profit. So let me find my first situation for today and work it out. First, I'm going to select a horizontal line and then I'm going to place it at the values where the price reacted. This represents sort of an inner support level, and just as the price rebounds from it and moves upward, here you can open a long trade, and at the same time you can see that the moving average approached the horizontal line marked 30 from top to bottom. Then it rebounded from it and is moving upward, and this means that there will be a reaction from this zone in the near future and the price will move upward. There will be a certain correction, and I think that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough for this. There may be a small pullback, but I'll try and make very good profit from this correction movement. So friends, as you can see, our trade has brought us very good profit. As you can see, I've successfully capitalized on this upward correction movement, and you can see that this indicator combined with technical analysis gives you great results. So let me continue. So here at the bottom, I have the support level. Additionally, I can observe that the green candlesticks are beginning to form at this level. So here I'm going to open a 1 minute long trade. There is bound to be a reaction from the support level, causing the price to move upward. And furthermore, I'm noting that the moving averages are also in the oversold zone. It has started to reverse and is approaching the horizontal line marked 30 from bottom to top. This indicates a reaction from the oversold zone, and with the high probability of a pullback upwards in this movement, we'll attempt to make very good profit from this. Well, not bad friends. As you can see, the price has indeed entered the correction zone. There was an upward pullback and I've made very good profit. Thus, this indicator confirmed my entry point and helped to determine further price movement. So far everything is going great. Let me continue. So here you can see there was a good confident upward trend, and at this very moment you can see that the price has trended downward from a certain point. At the same time, I can also see that the moving average has turned down and is crossing the horizontal line marked 70 from top to bottom. So here I'm going to open a 1 minute short trade with a higher probability. After the upward movement, the price will enter the correction zone in the near future and there'll be a pullback in the opposite direction, and thus this indicator helps me to determine that from the overbought zone there's likely to be a reaction. So I think that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough, and I'll try and make very good profit from the downward correction movement. So let me wait and see. This is nice. As you can see, there has been a slight slowdown, but the downward movement continues nonetheless, and I'm making very good profit. You can see 1 minute was quite sufficient for us here, and you can see I managed to make very good profit from this correction, and this information helped me when determining market analysis. So let me go on. Here we have the support level. You can also see that there was a confident downward movement. Additionally, you can see there has been a level breakout. At this moment, there is a slowdown occurring. Small candles are forming, and the moving average is also in the overbought zone. You can see that this means there will be a reaction from this area in the near future. So here I'm going to be opening a long trade for 1 minute, because after such a confident downward movement and the breakthrough of the level, I'm sure the price will enter a correction zone, resulting in a pullback in the opposite direction. Also, there will be a reaction from the overbought area. The price will rebound from this area and move upward. It's precisely this upward correction movement that I'll try and make very good profit from. So let me wait and see the results. This is great. The price continued its upward movement and I made good profit. You can see the situations work out quite nicely. The indicator once again proved to be accurate and guided me in the right step, and I found a good entry point. I combined technical analysis with the help of this indicator and it worked out quite awesome. So it's important to practice a lot in order to accumulate trading experience. So don't be discouraged if on your first try you're not able to replicate what you're seeing here. So let me find my next entry point. Here I can see a good confident downtrend. Also, after touching the support level, I can see that there was an upward retracement. I can observe the moving average approach the horizontal level marked 70 from bottom to top, rebounded from it and started to move downwards. In such a situation, I'm going to open a short trade for 2 minutes. I'm anticipating a reversal from this point in the near future, and I'm thinking that price will likely move towards the support level given the overall downward price potential. I hope 2 minutes will be sufficient for this trade. So friends, as you can see, the price has entered the trading zone, but the downward movement has persisted and I made good profit. Once again, the indicator really helped me to identify the zone where a reaction would occur, and indeed there has been a reversal from this point, and thanks to the indicator, I accurately identified this zone. So let me continue. Here we have a certain resistance level. I can see that the price approached the level and there was a breakout. A red candlestick is forming, and I'm going to suggest opening a short trade for 1 minute with a higher probability. After the level is breached, the price will enter a correction zone and experience a pullback in the opposite direction. The indicator also confirms our entry point. You can see the moving average approach the horizontal line marked 70 from bottom to top. It bounced off it, reversed, and is moving downwards, and I'm hoping that I'll make very good profit from the downward correction movement. So let me wait and see the results. Well, not bad at all. As you can see, a confident red candlestick was formed and I made very good profit from this. Once again, I managed to forecast the price movement with the help of this indicator. So let me find the next entry point. Here at the top, I have the resistance level, and I'm going to suggest opening a short trade for 1 minute right away. Just at this moment, there has been a reaction from the resistance level. A red candlestick is forming and a pullback is happening. You can see that the moving average has bounced off the horizontal line and is moving downwards. This means that the price will reverse from the overbought area and move downwards. So I'm going to try and make very good profit from the downward movement, and hopefully this time will be enough. Well, this is not bad at all. As you can see, the price indeed pulled back downwards and I made very good profit. The indicator also guided me in finding a good entry point. Meanwhile, you can see my deposit has exceeded $4,000 and I'm thinking of opening one more trade for today. Here we have a certain inner support level. Also, you can see that currently the price is approaching our level. In this situation, I suggest opening a lot trade for 1 minute. Additionally, I can see the moving average has approached the horizontal line mark 30 from top to bottom. This means that there will be a reaction from the zone in the near future. Hopefully, there will be a correction movement, which is a small upward pullback. And as you can understand, the reaction will occur both from the support level and the overbought zone. After all, these are directly interconnected factors. It is precisely on this upward correction that I'll try and make very good profit right away. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well friends, as you can see, there has indeed been a slight upward pullback. I managed to make very good profit from this trade. You can see that indeed there was a reaction in this zone and the price rebounded upwards, and as you can see, 1 minute was quite enough time for this. You can see that my deposit has now reached $8,000 and I would like to stop here for today. I would like to lock in my profit and leave the market. So as you can see, today's trades were quite good. I was able to hit my goal for today. So I was able to use the help of the indicator, but of course I was mainly carrying out technical analysis. As I always emphasize, technical analysis is the basis. All the indicators are just auxiliary tools. So as you can see, this indicator is quite easy to use and I made very good profit. Find similar situations as today, practice a lot, and you'll be able to make very good profit on your own. And also don't forget to support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching and good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.